Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm sharing with you 4 easy steps you can take to create effortless style. I'm going to be showing you these steps while using basics from your everyday closet and turning them into not so basic pieces. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make videos on life and style content and would encourage you to subscribe if you enjoy videos like this. So step number 1, find one piece that you want to style your entire outfit around. So this could very easily be a stylish top, shoes, or even an accessory, but one of my favorite things to style around is distressed denim jeans. So one of my all-time favorite pairs of distressed denim jeans are by the brand American Eagle. As you can see, they are completely distressed down the entire leg. They are also distressed in the back pocket. Now, they don't make this exact pair anymore. I bought these about 2, 3, maybe even 4 years ago, but these are my all-time favorite pair, and American Eagle always makes some style variation of this particular jean each year. So you may still be able to find this under their website. Now with this, you're gonna go ahead and move on to step 2, which is really gonna give you the ultimate foundation to how you're gonna style around your entire outfit. Step number 2, pick your style palette that you will use to create your overall look. Some of the most common style palettes that you'll find are earth tones, neutrals, monochromatics, darks, and pops of color. So since I picked a pair of denim jeans to start out with, in this step, I can really go with any of these categories. Today, I chose to go with denim jeans and a white shirt, so I'm basically going with a neutral palette. While we're creating our style palette in this step, I also want to remind you that using layering basics are going to be golden when it comes to the third step, should you choose to do so. If you're in the market for a couple of new basics, I would highly suggest checking out Costco if you have a membership. I know that sounds really crazy, but you know, they actually have some of my most worn tank tops there. This is by the brand Felina, I believe is how you pronounce it. Unfortunately, I can't link it, but I can leave the name of it down below. They also have basic tees and I think a few other options. So definitely check them out if you do have a membership. This is probably one of my most worn tank tops, and I also have it in white and gray. Step number 3, add a focal point or an inessential element to your outfit to really draw attention. This could almost be done in one of 2 ways, using a jacket, a vest, or a blazer, or a scarf, belt, or a hat. The decision is really up to you and your personal style. Generally, my focal point is going to always be a jacket. It is one of my favorite elements to add to any look, and my favorite brand right now is Blank NYC. It has been for a couple of years, and you can find this brand at Nordstrom or through their direct website, which I will link below. Moto jackets are by far one of my favorite things to purchase from them, just because of the weight of the jackets, and they are so durable and just feel so luxurious, and I really enjoy the quality of them. But last year at the Nordstrom anniversary sale, I picked up this cardigan styled, I guess, moto, and I have been absolutely loving it. Instantly, this adds a completely new element to my entire look. Step number 4. Be sure to accessorize and accessorize wisely. When picking your accessories, this could really be anything from jewelry to a handbag to shoes. Anything that's really going to add that extra element to your outfit, you're really just going to want to make sure it complements your overall look that you've worked so hard to create thus far. One of my favorite pieces to add to any outfit, especially during the spring and summer, is a watch. And these are 2 of my absolute favorites. Both of these watches are Michael Kors watches. The only difference is that this one is a smartwatch and this one is a classic wristwatch. So the reason I choose these watches is because 1, they're my favorite of the ones I own, and 2, I want to show that a watch is an easy element to add to really just make a look kind of look more high-end. This is an easy element to do that, as well as shoes. Now shoes are fun. These are my latest summer obsession. They are by the brand Steve Madden, and you can actually pick these up at DSW right now for about $30, if not possibly under $30. I know I got mine for a great price, and they look very similar to a trending shoe by Steve Madden that I will insert a picture right here. Now, I do want to point out that these shoes are like $88, possibly even more. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I think they're about that price. These were $30, you guys. Like, what a steal. You still get to style the trend, but you don't have to pay the price tag, which I think is key when styling an outfit on a budget. For more styling and budgeting tips, follow me over on Instagram, which I'll put my information for you guys right here. My handle is just Lauren__Bradley. and I share a lot more over there on a weekly basis as far as fashion and all of the trends go. So make sure you're following me over there, and if you ever have any questions or anything you want to ever see on YouTube or Instagram, feel free to DM me as well or leave a comment on my latest photo. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll share some of your favorite styling tips down in the comment section below for me to read. I hope you'll subscribe so you stay tuned for next week's content, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.